Hello everyone, welcome back to the SkillDeck channel. My name is Richa and I'm here today back with you all to inform you something very special. SkillDeck channel membership. Yes, we have announced a SkillDeck channel membership to avail exciting benefits. I hope you are already enjoying our channel and are able to implement the learnings what you are getting from our channel. Now this membership will help you to get access of our pre-recorded courses, what the live courses SkillDeck provides that gets uploaded on its app and LMS. If you want to get a discount on pre-recorded courses of SkillDeck, you can become a member, you'll get a discount on that. You will get an early access of all our video recordings through our paid membership. Along with that, you will be able to get a priority replies, custom badges you will be able to use. You will be able to participate in live Q&A session, which we are planning very soon in a month, 2-3 times. We will be doing live Q&A to answer your all doubts related to HR. You will be having an early access to everything, replies, comments, and even the recordings or videos what I'm supposed to put, and some special videos also only for the members. So if you want to get those all benefits, I request you to click on join button what you are able to see below this video to become a member of SkillDeck community. Thank you.